I'm not going to lie, most mobile games are designed to waste your time. But what if you could actually get paid to play them? Not in crypto, not in points. I'm talking real money, like straight to PayPal or your bank account. I tested over 20 different apps claiming to pay you for playing games. And in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 that actually paid me. Like no fake offers, no sign up traps, and stick around until the end because I will show you which one cashed out the fastest and the one I'll never use again. Let's get into it. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is Free Cash. Free Cash is the OG of them, or is one of the biggest GPT site out there, and it stayed consistent for a reason. Now, it is not just about gaming. There are surveys, there are tasks too, but the real good mind for me is mobile games. So yeah, a few that I tested, and the first one was Domino's Dreams. Like, yeah, surprisingly high payouts. I got way into this one. The second one is Bubble Cash, like simple gameplay, quick rewards, and kind of super low cash out. Easy window. And there is Alice Dream. This one is solid payout, but it takes forever to reach the cash out level. Like, unless you love grinding, maybe skip it. The payment option is PayPal, is bank transfer, and is gift card. But I currently have PayPal, even though PayPal is not available in Nigeria. I have a cousin abroad that helps me receive my money, and that is how I get paid. So if you are in Nigeria, if you don't have anybody abroad that can help you receive PayPal, this one might not be for you. Now, moving on to platform two, which is Phones. This one is quick cash and brain games. Like, I love it so much. So I found this one while searching for fast payout options with more mentally engaging games. Here are the highlights for me. You have to paint by colors, bubble rainbows, find objects. These aren't just tap and wait games. They actually make you think. I played them while listening to podcasts. Pretty relaxing. So why do I like pawns? First of all, $5 cash out threshold, like, is way better than a lot of them. Second one is bonus passive income. So if you share unused internet bandwidth, yes, like, you get paid. So what are the payout option for this one? There is PayPal, there is Venmo, there is Bitcoin, and there is gift card. So if you're in Nigeria, you can actually do this one because they have Bitcoin option, and you can get paid with Bitcoin on this one. So for me, it's not available globally. They have decent international support. So you need to use your site, you need to use the site link to confirm whether it's available in your country. The third one for me is Cash. So this one is a gamified service with real payout. So this one, before you unlock the game offers, you have to like finish 5 surveys. But here's the smart part. You can see user ratings for each one. So I just picked the highest rated and blew through them quickly. So once you are in, it feels like Free Cash. It's just game plus tax plus offers. And their payment option is PayPal, gift card, bank transfer, and they're actually available in a lot of country. So just check. So the fourth platform for me that you can play game and get paid is Cashier. This one is web based. They do not have an app, but I love it so much. So all you have to do is like visit their website on your desktop, pick a game or offer, scan the QR code with your phone. It will direct to download and track your progress. Their cash out is like just $5. Once you reach the $5 threshold, you can get paid. And their offer is PayPal, gift card. Also, they pay with your local transfer. So they're available globally, not in all countries, but in most countries. Now, the final one, which is my favorite, is Swagbox. Like, I love this one. This is still the most versatile. This is one of the oldest GPT platforms. Like, it is still going strong. It is not game focused, obviously, but it does include them. And along with it, you can actually do surveys, you can do video watching, you can do micro tasks, and their payout option is quite flexible. They do PayPal, they do bank deposits, they do gift card, and also charity donations. So if you don't want to get paid, you can ask them to like donate your money to charity. And I love the fact that they have like a whole swag book communities where people share their high paying offers, limited time deals, and hacks. So just join one. And so yes, you can actually get paid to play mobile games, but it is all about strategy. Stick to platforms with low cash out thresholds. Skip the in-app purchases. Don't use your money to buy anything. If your goal is to get paid, choose gift card over PayPal to avoid transaction fees. There's a way you can sell gift cards in Nigeria, or if you're not in Nigeria. So That is it.